Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this section that is called the action section with these text and this button here. First, we will need to create and edit this background image. So open a new tab and go to this website, fotor.com, Fotor.com, and hit enter. Now when you get to this page, you go to edit and click it. Now if you don't have your own image, you can use this image action, click it, and then open it. Now when you get to this page, you go down here to resize, click it, and you delete this number here and enter 1500. Now as for this here, you keep it the same as it is. Now you go up here to crop, click it, and as for this height here, you delete it and type in 1500. Now as for this width here, you type in 400. Now you come here and drag this one here up and down the way you want. As for this tutorial, I will drag it all the way down here. Now when you drag it to the area you want, you go here, you click apply. Now we hover over here to effects, click it. Now go down here to tilt shift, and as you can see, there is this blur effect that enables you to blur the area you want and keep the other unblurred. Now as for the shape of the blur, you can choose linear or circular. If you notice, this circular enables you to unblur a circular area. And for this one down here, the brush size, first I'm going to choose linear, and I'm going to increase the brush size to about this size here and drag it till here. And now we are done. We hover over here and click save. Now down here to quality, we click here, and I would like to choose normal because I don't think we need a high quality image for this section. Now click save to my computer. I'm gonna save it as action_done. Now we click save, and we are done with the editing. Now exit this website here, and we go to our website, we scroll down, and we turn on the builder. Click here. Now we scroll down to drop module here. Over here, this section, we hover over here and click options. First, as for the effect, click here, and I would like to choose pulse. Now, as for the background type, keep it to image, and for the background image, we click on browse library, we click on upload files, and now click select files, and select this image we edited. Now click open, and down here we click insert file URL. Now as for the background mode, we would like to choose full cover. Now as for the overlay color, we click here. I would like to choose black, and you see this scale here, it's for the opacity. You adjust the opacity of the color that overlays the image, meaning that you control the transparency of the color and how much you can see of the image beneath it. I would like to put it about here, around 60%. Now click here, and I'll scroll down. And for the text align here, click on center. Now scroll down to padding, and I would like to add 10 for the top. Now scroll down and click save. Now we have inserted the background image. Let's go ahead and add in the text. Go down here to text, drag and drop it here. Now you enter the text that suits your business best, And as for this website, since it's about web design, I'm going to enter my text. Now that I have entered the texts I want, if you notice, there is a space between these texts, so it makes it look better. As for this text here, I want to choose the heading to type. I would like to make it bold. And as for the color here, I would like to choose white and align it to the center. And if you click here, you will see that it has disappeared, but it's here. If you select it, you can see that it's still here. Now for this one here, we select it. As for the font, I'd like to choose heading 5. And as for the color, I would like to make it white and align it to the center. Now we hit enter and enter again to make a space between this text and the button we are about to add. Now hover over here, over shortcodes, click it, and go to buttons. Now as for the button text, I'm going to enter get it done and add in these double arrows. And as for the button style, I'm going to type in large, blue, flat. And I'm going to leave these fields empty because I don't want it to be any other color than these here. And I don't want this button to redirect to any page, but if you want to, you can make it redirect to a different page, for example, to your gallery to check out the designs you have. Now we click insert and we select this button. We align it to the center. Now we go to styling here and we scroll down to font size here. Click here and enter 18. Now we scroll down to padding and add 30 for the top and 30 for the bottom. Now we scroll down to save and click save. And as you can see, we are done with the action section. Now click save here and click close. You can see that we have built this beautiful action section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.